here to show you another amazing routine. I'm going to deal the cards down like this. I want you to just go ahead and say stop whenever you want. Say they said stop right there. Okay. I want this card or this card. Okay. This card. Okay. Now, as you can see here, I'm just going to give the card some cuts. You stopped me right on a 9. My prediction is 9 of clubs. That's pretty good. I don't know what you're thinking. What would have happened if you would have selected the red 9s? We would use the red 9s. Take the 2 9s. Just press the button like that. It resets it back into this 1 9. And there's a second 9 there. 2 black 9s. Okay, so 9 of clubs and 9 of spades. Keep your eye on them. There they are. Watch very carefully, because I'm just going to change them right into the red 9s, just like that. Alright, now I'm going to explain this variation of Chris Kenner's Intensity. Originally it was a Darin Martineau routine. Made some minor changes to it. You start off, you have your setup, you have the red 9s face to face, that's on bottom of the pack. Okay, that's the only setup you need. Other than the black 9s on top, you're going to pinky count. Pinky count, hold the deck in mechanics grip like this. And you're going to push back with your pinky here. You're just going to bow the deck. See, 1, 2, you get a pinky count. You're then going to set this down right here, being careful not to let it split. You're then going to deal the cards down. Okay, now you deal the cards down, and after you get a few cards, you're just going to start dealing pretty fast. As soon as they say stop, then you're going to take this card, and as you come over, you're going to pretend to deal it down, but you're going to move this back with your thumb. Kind of like a rub-a-dub move, but it's visual retention. It'll look like you set this card down. Here. Now, you're going to get a riffle thumb break on your right thumb fiddle grip. And as you take these cards, you're going to maintain a break above your 2 red 9s. You're then going to triple cut to the table. So you cut off block 1, 2, and the third block. You're going to bring these back to the top. So all that does is bring your setup back to the top. You're going to pinky count this as you're showing this card. Okay, pinky count 1, 2. You then show, look, you stopped. You could have stopped at any card, stopped the black 9. There's the prediction. Now you're going to the paintbrush change. Okay, the paintbrush change. You're going to show these front and back. You can let them check them out. As you come over here, you're going to square up everything from the break, secretly adding the red 9s to the back of the black 9s. Your thumb's going to peel this off. You take this is a triple lift, and you're going to turn this over. You can turn it over like this also. And this is a paintbrush change, so this is a triple lift. You're going to release the back card to make the paintbrush change. You can also do it from the side, but I like to do it the lengthwise. This thing looks prettier. So you just drop, and then you show. Now what you're going to do is pinky count again. Then as you bring this over, your thumb's going to add that on as you turn that over. One move like that. That brings them back secretly to the top. You're going to just make a pass. You could do a change like this, which is just tenkai. If you're sitting down, you can do it. You're going to tenkai this off. Okay. Now, as you casually show, I mean, you're not going to show, but you're going to casually show the bottom card. what's going to happen is this hand is going to drop down into the lap and cop the 9 and bring it back. And bring it back to the bottom and add it on. That's one way. Another way, to show you the way most of the time do it, just do a pass of the top card. All you have to do is squeeze with these fingers and riffle, and this will bring the top 9 all the way to the bottom. So you're just making a really fast pass like this. Okay, passing the top card to the bottom. So that will be here. Now, you're going to do J.K. Hartman's pop-out production, which is from the Kelly move here. This goes under the hand. You're going to riffle. And once you get to about halfway, you're going to push with these fingers up. We'll do that again. You have a Kelly move here, riffle, fingers come in, riffle halfway back. And from here, you push. So that'll look like that. Hold a pinky break on the top card. You then going to turn that over. You're going to add on the 9 diamonds to the back of the black 9s. So you add that on as you're squaring these up, just like so. So it's a secret add-on here. You do basically a Broadway addition. Turn this over. As you turn that over, you drop everything. Now you're going to place this on the bottom. It's a subtlety. They see the hand empty here without showing your hand empty. They see it's empty here. Now you're going to come over and do steel, which is taught to me by Kosi, magician Kosi from Las Vegas. You steal this, it's a clip steel with your thumb. As you turn this over, it's from an exposed angle. It's a beautiful color change of Kosi, because it just looks like you're turning over the packet. But when you do it from here, this looks like you're turning over the packet. Okay, so that's the exposed angle there. Now, your hand relaxes here. The left first finger buckles the bottom card, so you can push it up. You do the Marlowe rise, comes up around the thumb like that. So you're in this position. Then you're going to do double color change. This is my variation of double color change. You're here. You're going to bring this up really fast as the pinky rises this card up. And you're going to square these two. So you have to be careful. So that will look like so. You show it, rise up, and then you're just going to come over. It's a real quick motion. You can practice it. You have to be careful in not splitting the double. So you can hold the double together for a second and then push with your thumb, ditching the other 9 underneath so that you can pull that out. And then here you just necktie the deck as you take that off so you don't show the 9. Then you can make a pass or gesture cut, anything like that to show. There you have it. It's double vision.